insurance sector is a burgeoning industry in Sri Lanka, especially life insurance, that became its largest segment in 2010. Here to speak about how the industry is structured and developing is Mr. Renganathan from Ceylinco Life, the leader in life insurance in Sri Lanka. Well, Mr. Renganathan, maybe you can start by telling me how developed is the insurance sector in Sri Lanka and how much coverage does your company have in the country?
The insurance industry was nationalized in the year 1962. Then in 1988, the industry was once again liberalized. Over the past 26 years, over 15 players have received their licenses. These companies have had to establish themselves, build trust and design products to compete with the two state monopolies. We at Ceylinco Life achieved market leadership 17 years after we entered the industry, and we have been market leaders for the last 10 years.
Well, Sri Lanka has been plagued by severe weather against a backdrop of social unrest. This must have created a lot of challenges within the insurance sector, so how have you dealt with these?
We have extremes of drought and flood, but we have trained our sales force in the areas of new business and collections. We have advised them to adopt different modes of collection, and we have trained them how to change into a new market. Sri Lanka did have an internal ethnic conflict over the past 30 years. This ceased in the year 2009. Since then, the government of Sri Lanka has embarked on an accelerated investment program. Foreign investment is welcome, especially in the areas of infrastructure and hospitality. The northern and eastern provinces were the most affected areas during the conflict. These areas have now opened up and is a new market for life insurers.
And how safe is Sri Lanka for conducting business today, and as a result, what funds do you invest in?
Subsequent to the cessation of the internal ethnic conflict, Sri Lanka is a good place to invest in. As a life insurance company, we would invest our funds in gilt-edged securities such as government securities and rated banks. We also invest a part of our money in real estate.
Why has demand for life insurance increased so much over the past few years?
26 years ago, the insurance industry was liberalized. This has resulted in almost 15 new companies coming into the insurance industry. All of them have adopted their advertising programs, thereby creating a greater awareness for the need not only for protection but for retirement planning as well.
Ceylinco Life has subsidiary companies in the healthcare services. How do these companies complement each other, and what are the benefits for your clients?
When we analyzed our claims, we found that the largest number of claims was in the area of diabetes and cancer. We therefore thought that it was right to diversify into the healthcare industry. We set up a subsidiary. It's called Ceylinco Healthcare Services Limited. It was set up over 10 years ago. We now operate 2 centers of excellence, one for diabetes and one for the treatment of cancer. We were the first to install a linear accelerator in Sri Lanka, and in December last year we installed a tomotherapy high art unit, the only unit that is available in Southeast Asia today. The center is based in Colombo, so most of the medicals necessary for underwriting is carried out at this center. And as far as our policyholders are concerned, they are entitled to special discounts if they seek treatment at these centers.
How is technology revolutionizing the insurance sector?
We are equipping our sales force, both the salesmen and our supervisors, with Android tablets and laptops to provide a better service to our customers. We also have sophisticated core insurance system which provides us a lot of data which we use effectively for our marketing.
Finally, what are you targeting for future growth?
Aging is a problem all over the world, but this is more specific in Southeast Asia, specifically in Sri Lanka. We have a rapidly aging population. However, awareness about retirement planning is at a very low level. As part of our awareness campaign, we have declared the month of May as the retirement planning month. Our entire sales force is mobilized, and they would go house to house talking to the occupants about the need for retirement planning. We are hopeful of introducing annuity plans for our aging population in the near future.
Mr. Renganathan, thank you.
Pleasure.